Regular video, that would have been 10 minutes. 10 minutes! I know you guys don't know what we're talking about. And there goes the beautiful FC in the rear. Look at that thing, it's so wide. So, we got it on, as you can see. There it is down there, the beautiful gold. Shout out to Olin's with the switch springs. Shout out to Sid for making. He would use that while I'm trying to record. This guy, this always in the way. Mine away.
You know what we did? We weighed it without these two pieces. And so therefore it was even heavier than we suspected it originally.
What is wrong with him? So you should weigh those.
Here, let's weigh those separately.
Oh my God, he's really gonna do it. He's really gonna do it. It comes up to nothing pounds.
Well, okay then.
The smile on his face.
That's not bad. We did the front right in what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
That's just the strut. Boom, boom. Okay, now this is still a good set. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. I'll probably sell this to somebody. So if you want to purchase a set of front Kikos with factory springs, is a really good ride. Hit him up.
In the comments. Hit me up in the comments.
All right.
Now, what's next? The beautiful. Where are they? Where? Oh, he showed us
Calipers. Now, let me see this factory caliper. Wow.
So, here's what you should do.
Lines.
Here's what you should do. Here's what you should do.
Let's see.
Disconnect the not the hard line, but disconnect the steel braided line from the hard line and pull the caliper right off. That's what I had to do on mine.
So this is the other side.
Because you're gonna have to put the hard line. I would put the hard line on the caliper, or you can do it either or. You can put both the hard line and the steel braided line on at the same time, and that way once you get it on, but see, then it's going to be leaking. You want to keep the steel braided line on, or at least change the steel braided line now.
Oh, wow,
Huge.
and it's really not huge.
It's just
more
tall.
so than more efficient.
A little more narrow,
yeah,
but tall.
Yeah. Pretty
Well,
cool.
maybe it's not that narrow.
So the hard line better screw in here, otherwise we're in trouble.
It should. It should.
Bleeder, wrap around. So that's the difference between the coilovers. So
I think the wraparound goes up
it has
top.
a line from this side of the pistons to this side, and there's a bleeder on each side, whereas the factory, it's just a one line in and the bleeder on one side, no wraparound. So that's kind of different. So that's the difference. Other than the size, of course, I'm sure these pistons are larger, right?
Is that left or right?
This is the side. Here, see?
Is it?
Yeah.
So the wraparound goes up top?
Yeah, because the bracket goes on the inside, right where this bracket is, and the RV was facing outside. The line, I think, has to be here. So that, because this is where the factory line is. So let me get a screwdriver.
We're gonna figure this out off camera. So.
Okay, so what I'm saying is, like, this is the front. I think it goes.
Yeah. So then, what we want to
caliper. They're all banjo, so I can't hook it up to that.
Okay. Yeah. So we wanna put that in here then.
Yeah. Right now.
And maybe use, since there's fluid in there, maybe use this to cap that off. So by the time we get it up there, well, if that's the case, you know what we can do? Jay, we can just remove this whole thing, the whole caliper with the line on it.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
With that line coming off.
Do you have?
Yeah.
Do you have Yeah. Do you have flare wrenches?
Mm-hmm.
What you looking for?
That's for the back. So they gave me lines for the rear. This is cool. All right.
What you mean? They gave you lines for the back too.
That's what I said.
Oh.
And they gave me lines for the rear. I said rear. This is good.
I heard him.
You recording?
Of course I'm recording. Okay.
All right, let's do it. First things first.
Turn.
Needle nose, pliers, remove the clip. Right there.
For some strange reason, I feel like I'm about to get smacked in the nose. I feel it. I feel it coming.
Clip. Yeah. Assess
A
the
17.
fact that we need WD-40.
Not really.
Hey, look.
Don't need it.
WD. Then we get the brake on there. There we go.
It's not a 17? What is that, an 18?
Brake plug in. All right. Now.
It's not a 17, it's 18. Ow. So it is a 17?
17.
Why wouldn't it fit?
Did I do it?
What is happening right now? He said, did I do it?
All right, here we go.
Yeah, hurt yourself. Didn't I tell you to turn the He won't listen to me.
What we need is the leverage.
Which is why you turn the caliper.
That's why we have a
Oh my
mallet.
God. Poor fender.
It's been
Don't
rolled.
hurt it.
It's been rolled. It's been rolled. The drift car. Ignore him. Ignore him. You can handle this. It's been rolled.
Look, your fingerprint.
What?
You did it. You did it.
And you're Grammy Hanson? What's wrong with you? A soup.
You, there's no proof.
Are you really gonna do that to my paint job? Just rubber mallet. Ratchet wrench. That's all you need. Oh yeah.
Hey. Yeah. Turn the caliper like I told him. Oh my God.
Load it.
Go. Watch the paint.
Ooh. Okay.
Watch the paint.
Now what? Let's put
this
this over
off.
here for now.
Take that off.
Okay. What? This one here? Let's put something there. Give me a rubber cap.
You don't need nothing there.
Vacuum fill out the plug.
No, you don't.
No, it makes it easier to.
I need a paper towel.
Right there. Makes it easier to bleed it when you still got fluid in. Okay. Vacuum cap. Perfect.
Do you have any clean cloths so we can wipe off the oil from the rotors?
The thing? Yeah. In there. It's blue, right?
Oh, I'm in the camera. Really? Fingertip?
Isn't this your expertise looking? Isn't it supposed to just kind of... Boom!
Normally when I'm changing rotors, they're trash, so I'm using a sledge.
A real hammer?
Yes.
Okay, so we need a scale.
Oh, time to weigh, people.
Here it is. Okay.
And we're weighing.
Let's see what we got. Factory front rotor. Solid 13.9.
Let's see what the aftermarket rotor is. So it should be the taller hat.
You think?
Is that the taller hat?
Yes, it is, sir. Wow, this is pretty. Now see, this was the left, and we are working on the right side. So I'm gonna go get the other one.
But show them
Huh?
the beauty. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Black on black. Now these can be customized however.
Color you want?
Yeah, but black on black. So
Beautiful.
let's get the other one.
How much was this set?
It's okay. I paid 22. It's 2,300. Okay, that comes with the front and rear lightweight rotors, the front calipers with the adapter, the larger bracket, all 4 steel braided lines, and pads for the front and the back.